we only have one day in Cartagena before we fly to Medellin. And now like I'm so torn because I want to visit the old city but also want to spend some time at the beach. So I think we're gonna start with the beach, hang out, relax there a bit, and then there's a free walking tour today at 4 p.m. We don't have much time, you know? So the free walking tour should be a good way to optimize and to see everything in the old town in like a short 2-hour tour. We're walking to the beach! Honestly, it's a nice beach. The water is nice, there's like big waves. There's a lot of vendors too selling mangoes, like massages. And if you want to have a chair or a lounge chair to sit on, you have to pay. I heard like on the internet that you have to find the right person to pay. I'm not sure how that works. I don't know, right now we're just sitting on some rocks. Maybe we'll cough up the cash to get a chair later. Yeah, we got the chair. It was 10,000 for two. You know, we got a little shade. But now that we're in the chairs, sellers are coming up to us like non-stop. Hats, crabs, massages, necklaces, anything you want. The water is great. Those waves though, they're super intense. Sometimes they get like really big and hit you in the back. Ouch. I wish I knew how to surf and that we had a surfboard with us. Maybe we'll find a beach and the time to learn sometime during the trip. Ended up buying those street crabs. They're actually really fresh and tasty. We paid 10,000 for two. So I think it's a fair enough price. I like it. Ready for the tour? There's a lot of people here. Actually, I'm excited because we haven't spent that much time walking in the old city yet. Only just like a couple minutes yesterday when we arrived.
Are you from? I'm from Colombia. Sombra encontrou teu sorriso, viajou em luz, criando novas possibilidades, me levando sem querer levar, congelando meu espaço.
So far, the tour's going great. I have to say, Cartagena is just such a beautiful city. So photogenic, like those old colonial buildings. I like it here. People have the most amazing balconies with flowers out here. The guide said that if there's a contest every year for the best balcony and the person who wins like $1,500 or something.
Minha sombra encontrou teu sorriso, viajou em luz. Deixei pra trás o tempo que achei perdido e me perdi de novo sem me importar, congelando meu espaço. O tempo, um convite pra dançar. Quando minha sombra encontrou teu sorriso, viajou em luz.
What a day. I don't really want to leave, but I've heard so many amazing things about Medellin that, you know, you gotta visit everywhere. Amazing. I think today we're gonna go fly the drone a little bit, get some nice shots of Cartagena, and then we have to check out, go to the airport, and fly to Medellin. I think I mentioned it before that the flight that's like an hour and a half was about $5 more expensive than taking the bus for 16 hours. So, you know, it was a clear choice what we're gonna do. But we're gonna take it easy today. Just, you know, just fly to Medellin, get settled into our Airbnb. Because we have a lot of days in Medellin, so we can kind of relax and not rush too much.
Congelando meu espaço.